Hi everyone, it's Frankiefrancy and welcome back to my first tutorial of 2018. I hope your year started with a blast. I apologize for being late with my usual schedule, but I actually had a flu, as you can also hear from my voice. Today's makeup look is perfect for hooded eyes, and due to the colors it's also perfect for a romantic date. The main colors of our look are purple and rose gold. The palette we're going to use is Beauty Killer from Jeffree Star and also some single eyeshadows from Anastasia Beverly Hills. As a first step, prime your eyes. I'm using Urban Decay Original. I also decided to apply some cream eyeshadow. This is Entirely Paint Pot by MAC. The reason is to cover any discoloration. As a transition shade, we're going to apply Courtney from the Beauty Killer palette, and we're going to apply it into the socket of our eye. I'm using a Sigma E25 brush. It really helps actually. This brush is really good for getting into that socket. So as you can see, I'm doing swiping motions and I'm going into the socket and a little bit over my eyelid as well. I want to make sure that that middle area is all covered and there is no lift out. Don't take it too much over your crease. Of course, you will do the same on the other eye as well. The next color is a single eyeshadow from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Rose Gold. We're going to apply this on our eyelid. Once you have covered your entire mobile lid, you will notice that the two colors have now mixed together and you will have no uncovered space. To widen our eyes, we're going to apply Ballet. Again, this is a single eyeshadow from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the inner angle of our eye. I'm using a pencil brush to apply it and I'm making sure that I'm getting into the socket as well. Apply violence, forming a C, starting from the outer angle of your eye and working it towards your crease. Go back with a clean blending brush to blend. And again, reapply violence. Apply and blend until you're satisfied with the intensity. As I said last time, makeup is a game of blending and layering. All makeup and brush details will be in the description box below, so don't worry. The last eyeshadow we're going to apply on our eyes is Black Rainbow. It's a black with some glitter in it. And we're going to apply it as if we're applying eyeliner. So you're actually starting from the outer angle of your eye and you're going to create like a little wing. But at the same time, you're also going to swipe it towards your eyelid. Blend and reapply until you're satisfied. Each time you blend, you're actually softening your eyeshadow. So that's why you have to reapply it and reblend it until you're actually reaching the intensity that you want. Adjust also other colors if needed. Due to time, I already applied my foundation and my eyeliner. The eyeliner is from MAC Cosmetics and it's actually a purplish color. Now I don't remember the name. I will update the description box below. Let's concentrate on your under eye. With the same brushes that we used before, we're reapplying the same colors. It's like you're actually continuing the upper part of your eye, you're repeating it below, but you're also mirroring it. Once you're finished, you're done with the eyes. So let's get onto the face. We're applying a rosy blush on the cheeks. On top of it, we're going to use Anastasia's Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit in the color Spectra, and we're applying it on top of the cheeks, on the bridge of the nose, not the point, and on our Cupid's bow. For the lips, I decided to mix two lip tints. No Shade No Tea from Jeffree Star and Bombshell from Huda Beauty. Bombshell will be your base and No Tea No Shade will be the color that you will apply on top. Blend it with your finger. The attempt is to recreate the same hues used on the eyes. We are darkening our lips, giving it a purple undertone. Curl your lashes and apply mascara. Make sure to insist on your outer lashes and your bottom lash line. The look is done. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel and to my social network. Thank you for sticking up with me. Have a lovely day. And as we say in Italian, goodbye, ciao, and see you soon. A presto.